Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I am actually going to be doing it. I am jumping this year. Totally didn't plan it. Totally didn't plan it. So if you see me and you're giving me a side eye right now, a bombastic side eye.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
For the persons who I told I wasn't going to jump, I really did mean it. But this morning or this afternoon rather, around 1 o'clock, got a text. I am jumping. Costume is ready. I need to get to select my costume. So we're just gonna take on the challenge and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm preparing for Carnival and all the events that's leading up to Carnival. I'm jumping with Yardmas. They are fairly new. They're really new. The owner, or I believe the organizer director, isn't new, but the band itself is really new. So I'm not sure what to expect. I'm excited to see what Yardmas has to bring to the table. I can't wait. I'm super excited. I've been thinking about it all day, and it's kind of also giving me anxiety because I'm not prepared. Literally not prepared. If I had known, I would have started to like work out because I kind of put that on the back burner. And I'm not all the way, like I don't feel like my body is where it needs to be at the moment, or where it was when I last jumped, and I'm just a little bit nervous about that. I now need to find a makeup artist. I now need to find stockings. I need to find my sneakers because I literally did some spring cleaning maybe a month ago and I threw out my 3 pairs of shoes or sneakers or whatever you want to call them, Carnival boots. I threw away my dark boots, I threw away my dark brown boots, and I threw away my sneakers. Why did I do that? Because now I wish I could just go back and collect them. Because now I have no sneakers that I feel like that would work with the costume. So now I have to go find my sneakers. I need to go find out how I'm gonna wear my hair, because my hair needs to be done. But I'm also super excited as well. I did say I would never jump again, but here am I jumping again. I mean, like I said, I didn't plan it, and I just got the text. So let me just do. And so I'm gonna take you guys on that journey. You guys can see what it's like. You can also get to see what actually happens or what goes into preparing for Carnival, because it's not a joke. So tonight I am going to an event called, I believe it's called Illuminates.
Never seen people happen to be a live party in Jamaica for 2 hours a day. Somebody point to this. Listen to me carefully. If you love and appreciate soca music, when we play the next show, there's something I'm going to sing it. Hold them and walk them. Hold them and walk them. Hold them and walk them. I say me a big, 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 big dirty band for you. And I have a big, 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 big dirty band for you. So you better to give it up to give it. I just want to and I am watching you on things I know of your energy. Turn the beat down a little bit. Alright, right there. crowd and I can't make it all the way to the truck. But the security officer saying we need to.
Waiting for the truck to get stands then. Actually got the juke in your phone. That's all I want. Texting your boyfriend whole night, isn't it with you he's supposed to be? He over there betting whole night, he over there stressing your life when there's only one hand. What cream fire you see me now?
Update, this is day 2, which is Thursday. So illuminate, chef kiss. I did not think I was gonna have a good time last night, but man, I had a time. It's the first time they're having that event, so I don't know, I didn't expect like a good turnout. And then there's so many other carnival activities that's going on, because there's like 3 or 4 different bands that's going to be, jumping this season. So they all have their own events leading up to the main road march event. So when, I was told about this Illuminate and, me noticed like it new, I was like, yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be a good vibe. Listen to me. The vibe nice. The party never have so nice. No, I'm getting ready to go to another event tonight. This one is Kez and the band. He's having a event. Right now, as it stands, I would have needed, like I said to you last time, I would have needed a makeup artist. I need to get me a pair of shoes, depending on the costume that I got. I also would need little accessories, and I need to figure out what I'm doing with my hair. I was able to book my hair appointment, so I'm going to opt for braids. I think some goddess braids would look good. It was either that or I'm going to get a sew-in. I just feel like the sew-in would make sense. The braids will last me a little bit longer. I'm not necessarily doing the braids for Carnival. It's going to look good with the costume, I feel. And it's a hairstyle that I can wear past Carnival. A hairstyle that can last me for maybe a month and a half, 2 months tops, depending on how I care it, which is fine. So I think I'm just gonna go with the braids. And then the costume that I'm getting is white and gold, so I need to find me some sneakers, or I don't think I want to wear boots, but I think I want to wear like a sneaker. So if I could get a white one or something that looks a little bit gold would look good. I need to go look for something. I need to find a fanny pack. I have a gold one, but I don't really like it. I don't think it would work with the costume. So I'm going to try and get me a gold fanny pack. I also secured my makeup artist today as well. I have my makeup artist. I just now need to get my hair done, need to get my makeup done. I need to get me my shoes, my fanny pack. I have my power bank. I think that's it. I don't think I need anything else. Oh no, I need stockings. So the stockings that I got with my costume is a little bit lighter than my shade. I want something more skin tone. So I'm gonna see if I can find some stockings tomorrow. I actually picked up my costume today. I didn't get a chance to like take you through the entire journey because there were a lot of people there and I'd have to cut people out and it's just way too much to do. But I did get little bits and pieces of the process. So I'm going to show you that, guys, that in a few, and then you're going to see bits and pieces of the event that I'm going to be going to right afterwards. Right now the title is an impromptu carnival weekend.
Let's go.
So let's get into the unboxing of the costume. When I got to the redemption center, I had all intentions of like showing you guys the whole process, the walkthrough, everything. By the time I got to the redemption center, my battery was on like maybe 5-10%. So I wanted to like get some charge first, because I knew I was going out in the night and that was more of something to capture. So I didn't get a lot of stuff, plus there was a lot of people there, and then just the whole part of having to edit and cut out stuff, I just wasn't trying to do all of that. This is the box. Yes, I am jumping with Yardmas. It's fairly new, even though it's the same people from, I believe, Jamaica. So let's show you what's on the inside. Now the costume that I'm jumping, the band I'm jumping with is Athena. I really liked it, to be honest. When I saw the costume on the website, I was like, yeah, that's my costume. So it so happened that that's the costume that I got. So I'm just gonna show you what's on the inside of my costume box, and I also got a goodie bag. So this is the neck piece. All right. This is the leg accessories. Check out everything before. Alright, so I'm not really a fan of leg pieces, but this is cool. So the costume is white, gold, and it has this little bronze looking thing on it. So I need to find me sneakers in white or something with gold, or I don't know. I need to find something really quickly. I'm thinking brown could also work, something that looks like this color. And I want whatever color sneakers that I have, the matching fanny packs. I need to go find me a fanny pack today to match this. I had tried on the bra. I'm not going to try that on camera right now, but I tried on the bra, the wire bra. It fits, but I could have used an extra space. You know what I mean? But I'll make it work. However, the bottom is very it's very big, so I need to get that adjusted. This is and they're labeled too, so that is so cool. I won't have to figure out what is what. So this is the arm piece. So I'm gonna put things on the side like that. I don't really care for all the fandangles, but I think it will make the outfit look good, so I'm just going to commit when I try everything on. And I want you guys to see the detailing of everything. It's really nice. I like the finish. I'm not going to lie. I like the finish. It look good. It don't look rushed. It don't look choppy. You know, like how sometimes you get the costume and you can see the extra glue from the hot glue gun. No, I like the finish. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not missing any gems or anything like that. It's nice, right? So this is the arm part. Hold on. This is the wire. So I also get a headpiece as well. I am not a fan of headpieces, but okay, I guess it will work. Like I said, I'm gonna get my hair braided, so this should be fine. I feel like, oh, I spoke too soon. Something fell off. Something fell off, but that usually happens anyway. It fell off. I don't like that. Wait, I think I can put it back on. I can, because I do have a hot glue gun, so I guess I'll put it back. Like I said, I'm not really a fan of headpieces, but we're gonna do. I don't know. I'll see how I feel when I put everything together. This isn't bad either. I like it. Minus that part that fell off, but I feel like that's natural because of the box, like how it was placed in the box. Because I just fling everything to the side at home. So I guess I could have, be more careful with my boxes. But, if you know Carnival, your gem is going to fall out. So, this is the wire bra. It's a little bit too small because this is a 34B. I'm a 32C. It's gonna be a little bit small, but we'll make it work. It's fine. It will give me support, which is what I like. On the road, it's pretty, you know. I feel like this is gonna look so good in the sun. Like, I don't think you know. I don't think you know I'm about to come out. This is really good though. This is good. This is good. I like it. I like the colors. I really do. But the bottom is a little big. I don't like that. So I'm going to Alright, so this is the bottom piece. So as you can see, it's white and gold, and then you have the bronze thing. So I think the front line is like a thong. I'm not a thong type of person. Not on the road. You know, I have to cover up a little bit. So this is not bad too. I like the material, and it has this nice little shimmery thing to it. Isn't it pretty? Like, listen, you see when the sun hit this, oh my god, this is gonna be so good. Like, look at the way how the material, it's good, right? I feel like I might repurpose this after Carnival, because I mean, spending all this money on well, I didn't spend no money, but you know, if you're to spend money on your Carnival costume, you should be able to repurpose it. And I feel like this can be repurposed, you know what I mean? Like, I could make it into a bikini when I'm done. Maybe not the wire bra. Scrap that repurposing. I might not be able to repurpose it, but I'd like to wear it over and over again. You know, like if there's another Carnival event, you can just use a wire bra and pair it with a jean shorts or something, and that can be a fit. The bottom can be used as a bikini. Not so much the top. The top is gonna be a little bit difficult. But that's my costume. I'm super excited, Lord. I should really put it back the way. Oh no, I need to carry this with me tomorrow, because I'm gonna get it altered. Just the problem is the sides. So like, that's the problem with me, like with bikinis as well. I'm really a small in the waist, but I have a little, you know, a little junk in the trunk. So this is gonna be too wide for me. I need to fix this part. That's the only part that needs to fix. Everything else is fine, because I need to be, you know, a little covered. I feel good. I feel nice. Listen, if you're ever gonna jump, and if you haven't, one of the things you want to do is pick up your costume on time. So normally they start the distribution process like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday is the last day to pick up your stuff. You don't want to wait until Saturday, especially for females, because things might not fit, and you need to have a window where you can have things adjusted, you know. So people are going to be running up and down now trying to find someone to adjust it. Yeah. Okay. So that's my costume. I really love the box. Not sure what I'm going to do with it afterwards, but I really like the box. It's cute. Branded and all. And now let's unpack the goodie bag. So, I got a keychain. Cool. I got some stockings. But listen, this is a little too light for me. I'm not sure how this is going to work with my skin tone. So I might just still get, yeah, it's going to be a little odd. This is too bright. I'm not trying to, you know, glow like that. I don't think this is going to work. I should probably try it first though. But I actually would prefer flesh tone tights. I don't want to be glowing like this. I'll save this though for another time. It's complimentary, which I think was a nice touch. I mean, if we're jumping, we're going to need tights. I'm not that type to just wear the bottom and the top alone. I need to have my stockings on. And then we got some branded, what are these called again? Beauty blenders, which is cool because a girl is going to need it. First of all, let's just take a look at the bag. Like, I don't even know if you can see this. Make sure the logo is correct. Right? This I could definitely wear. Like take if I'm going on a cooler, like a cooler fit or anything like that. Ooh, okay. We got a fan. We got a fan. It's on. It's even charged. Ooh. So, you know, you're on the road, you need to cool down, bam. Okay, I need to charge. It have three speed, but it's up. It have 3 different speeds. Alright, so we need to charge you. It come with its own charger and everything on a base. Love that for me. Yeah, I love this for me. I love this for me. Alright, boom. Lots of snacks. I always like fill this stuff with a lot of snacks. This is an energy bar. The battery's about to die. Story of my life. I'm not sure what this is, but it's something. It's Monster branded. I believe it might be like, you know, one of those. Okay, Yardmas, the first thing, yes, man. So we got AirPods, Yardmas style. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna need to. It working. So wait, it have a lot of colors though. It's pairing to something. It's connected to something. I'm not sure what it's connected to, but let's go. Listen, this is it, man. I love it. That's cool. I like it. I think they're trying to be different. I like that. You know? Okay, let me show you the inside. Okay. Alright, cool. Alright, boom. My battery is dying, so I'm just trying to make sure I get this part out. Listen, at this point, I have too many mugs. Too many mugs, but it's cool. It's cute. The one that I got last night is much better though, so I think that's the one that I'll be using on the road. And we got some Monster stuff, which is good. Monster used to be my favorite energy drink, by the way. We have chocolate in here. We have a card for LeChamp for makeup, guys. She is amazing. You want to check her out? Check out her Instagram. She can do her thing, right? This is Panadol, cold and flu. And then I have another compare. Listen, I'm tired of mugs. Give me something else, please. I have way too many. No, this is my armband for tomorrow. For Sunday, sorry. So I get breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's super all-inclusive. I just wear my band. I can't lose that. This is the most important thing. So let me put it somewhere. That's really important because I can't afford to lose you. Coffee. Digestives. Alright, battery's about to die now. Seasoning. Yeah, because we gotta cook before we go. Condoms. Got male latex condoms. Cool. 1, 2, 3, because I'm gonna be having sex, I guess. But you should put a rubber on it. Put a rubber on it. And we're at the end of the thing. We got nipple covers. More digestives and a cable. Ooh, you know a lot. So oh my gosh, iPhone users. No, all right, no, listen, I am happy because last night I broke my so I have a second iPhone charger and I broke it last night. I don't know how, but it broke and I'm very sad about it. I was gonna now look for a this is a little bit short, but it can work. It can work and I'm grateful. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's like, I don't know, everything is just falling into place and I'm loving that for me. Alright, so since my battery is gonna die, thank you so much for watching this segment of my unboxing of my bag. Listen, the bag nice like rice. Then put some little effort. I do like the touch. I've had goodie bags before and there's literally nothing in it. But then put little effort in it. I like the AirPods. I think that might be the coolest thing that I've seen. Maybe not my style because I do have my own, but this was cool. I like the fan. The fan was a good touch because we're a bit really hot on the road. I like the nipple covers. I like the gesture of adding stockings too. I just wish it was my tone. I still have to go get stockings. I'll just have to use this another time. And it could have added female stuff to it, like, well, I guess girls would already get them wax done and stuff, but you could have added, you know, maybe like a shaving cream or something like that. I don't like doing that. I prefer waxing, so maybe not. But this is a cool bag. I was super excited pulling the bag. The bag looked nice. I can carry this when I'm going on my little escapades, my little trips. You know, you don't want to carry like a big bag. This is perfect. It looked like you can put, like, there are a lot of compartments. So it looked like I could use this for my gym bag as well. I could use this for a number of things. You get what I mean? So you can use it for a lot of things. I like things like those that after the event you can still, you know, get a good use of the bag. The bag is really cool though, you know? Like, I really like it. This is a good bag. Look at it. So you can wear it as a backpack, because it have the straps, but then you can also carry it like a duffel bag. This is mad. Like, this is madness. I love it. And then their ear is at the bottom. Listen, this is cool. This is really nice. This bag was well thought out. I found my fanny pack in gold, so I'm thinking I'll just wear this with the costume, or I'll just go and get a new one in white, because the costume is really white and bronze. I'm still trying to weigh my mind, but if I don't need to get a bag, then I just don't need to get a bag, right? So I'm gonna think about it some more. So yeah, I have that. I have my hair appointment now. I'm a makeup artist tomorrow. I ordered stockings from a lady online, and she said that she would have it delivered by 12. It's 1:30 now, and I'm messaging Miss Lady, and Miss Lady not answering her phone. So I don't know. I think I got chopped. I hope I didn't get chopped. I seriously hope I didn't get chopped, because I already paid the lady in full, you know. Everything came up to 2008. I feel like I get chopped. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very sad about this. But let's just be hopeful and hope that I didn't get chopped, because that's not gonna be good. Hey guys, I'm back. As you can see, I got my hair done. I got my goddess braids and I'm loving it. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Let me know how you feel in the comment section. My protective hairstyles like these are done by Patrice. That's my girl. That's my plug for all protective hairstyles. She's good with braids and cane rows and twist locks, faux locks, invisible locks, everything protective hairstyles. So if you are interested in like anything like that, then you can definitely check out my girl. Her information will be in the comment section, as well as it will appear on the screen. Now, I know the last time we spoke, I said that I wasn't getting through with my stocking girl. It was just a small misunderstanding. I gave her the incorrect number. There was just a digit wrong, and so she was calling the number and she just didn't get through to me. But that's fine. She was able to meet up with me and I got my stockings. So thank God, because I need stockings to go on the road. It's kind of getting closer and closer to the day, and I'm getting super excited. I'm feeling the energy. I just feel like it's going to be a good time. But I do want to share, because I want this video to be very informative as well for persons who are also maybe considering jumping. If you've never jumped for the first time, I want to make sure I'm as 100% transparent as possible as to, you know, what to expect if you're jumping, especially if you're a first time jumper, right? Now, one of the things that I would suggest, if you are a first time reveler or a jumper, that you take into consideration the band. The band is very important, because I feel like all the different bands have their own kind of vibe or experience, right? What will happen over, let's say, Exodus will not happen over Yardmas, if you get what I mean. So you want to check out the bands that are available and scroll through their social media, see what other persons are saying, so you can get a vibe or get an idea of what to expect before you decide on the band, because one of the things that most persons don't know is that the bands do not overlap. They don't share the same route, so you won't see, chances are you will never see people who are jumping with the other band. So you want to choose your band wisely. Check with your friends. If you're jumping with a group, check with your friends, see check with your friends, see who they're jumping with, so that you guys can be together and have a good time. It's really fun when you're pairing with your friends. But if you're one on one and you want to just find a good band, you just want to see what's going on, see the reviews, check out the Instagram, get an idea and a feel of what's popping before you select your band. You also want to select the right type of costume. You know your body type. Don't lie to yourself. Um, Choose a costume that works for you, works for your body type, but also don't try to break the bank either. Um, Stay within your budget, because life goes on after Carnival, and it's a lot of money if you really look at it. Like all of the little things that you need to do in preparation for Carnival, plus the costume. Even if you're planning to go to the fets as well, because there's a whole list of events. Each band has their own set of events leading up to the final day, which is Road March. So you wanna make sure that you're working with a budget that works for you, because life goes on after Carnival. Thirdly, I would love to say that do not wait until the last minute to prepare for Carnival, because when you rush and you haste, I find that you spend a lot more than if you were prepared. So, have being prepared is very important. It will save you a lot more, and it will just be less stressful for you, because you don't want all of that stress leading up to Carnival. So when I say being prepared, you want to make sure that you work on your fitness level, because Carnival is not a joke. It is not just a sprint or a little walk. It's a whole marathon. It starts like at about 9, and you're probably not going to get home until about 10, especially if you're doing the after parties. You're not going to get home till late. So you are going to be on your legs the whole time. You're going to be in the sun. You're going to be in heat. You're going to be around a lot of people, and it's a lot of walking. It's not easy. So you want to make sure you start doing some fitness stuff. So even if you're not in the gym, you can do little walks around your neighborhood. Do a little jogging for like 20 minutes every day. Maybe not every day, but maybe 3 or 4 times out of the week, just to build up some endurance so that you're not popped down on the road. Because the experience is really what you're going for, and you need to be energized for it. You understand? You can't just, you're not doing any fitness thing and just pop up at Carnival and expect the last, because let me tell you something. You're going to be stressed out. You're going to be stressed out. The first time when I did it, I was so tired. Popped down by lunchtime. Could hardly do the second half of it. And then after that, now I know that you're supposed to like prepare yourself. So I was like prepare myself afterwards. But the vibe, the biggest part of it is not even the costume, it's the vibe on the road, and you need to be energized for that, man. You need to be energized. So make sure you're working on your fitness. In also, to add to that point of being prepared, have your hairstylist ready. Have an idea of what you want to do with your hair. Have an idea of what you want to do with your makeup based on your costume. Have an idea if you want to get like shoes, boots, sneakers, whatever footwear you're deciding to go with, your stockings, any other accessories. If you want to carry like a waist bag or a fanny pack, it'd probably be easier to order these things online months ahead, so that when it comes, you're not rushing around to find things. It's like me having to rush around to find me something to wear, because I got something like a shoes, a little sneakers to wear that would go with the outfit. That was just, you know what I mean? I should have known this ahead of time so that I could get these things online, you know what I mean, ahead of time. The stockings that I got, I wish it was more skin tone. It's more of a nude, and it's a little bit lighter than my skin. I don't know how it's gonna look with the costume. I'm a little concerned, but we're gonna work with it. But yeah, being prepared is very important. It helps with the stress level, like I said, and you need to work on your fitness. The other thing that I would say is don't be so concerned about the body. It's easy to get concerned about the body because the outfits aren't really covering your flaws, right? And nobody's really perfect. Yeah. So for the persons with the natural bodies and we have a little flabs here and there, but I mean, you can try to work out months ahead, but don't do no crash diet or days leading up to it. You're not eating properly because you need your body to be functioning to be on the road. It makes no sense you do these crash diets and then you're starving and then you get on the road and you pass out. So make sure you're still taking care of yourself. There's a lot of things you can do to lose a few pounds before like diets, certain diets that you take, the food that you're taking. There's certain things you can do to appear slimmer or lose a few pounds before the actual day, like going on a certain type of diet, the foods that you eat, cutting out like things like alcohol and things that would make you fat or feel bloated. But at the end of the day, you just need to have fun. It's about the vibes, it's about the people, it's about the music. Just go out and have fun. Don't stress too much about body types. Listen, when you go on the road, you're gonna see all types of body types, and people are out there having a ball. So just don't worry about the little stuff. You definitely want to pack light, but you want to pack the essential stuff. So you want to make sure that you have like your power banks, your cables to charge your device, your portable fan. You could walk with a sachet of Panadol just in case like you're on the road and you start feeling pain. It can combat the pain. They normally pack like an energy bar in your goodie bags. You want to include that in your fanny pack or whatever bag you're taking with you, because sometimes you go on the road and in between the food stops, like the lunch, the breakfast, the dinner, you may get peckish. So you want to carry one of those so you can munch on the little biscuits or cookies that they have. You can take them with you just to give you like an energy boost. What else do you need to know? Comfortable shoes is important. Comfortable shoes is important because the journey is very long. You may want to pack like for ladies, I have a little tube of, or a little spray bottle that I can spray, just to freshen up when you're on the road. I'm walking with some wipes as well, so that when I'm in the bathroom, you want to wipe. What else do I need to walk with? Lip gloss, so you can touch up. I'll walk with my little sponges so I can, blot when I'm on the road. I have my portable fan. And that's about it. I'll also walk with cash just in case of any emergency and I need to do anything. I have cash on me. What else do I need to walk with? Or I can't think of anything else right now. But if I do, I'll include a list on the screen so you guys can have that. But I'm super excited. Listen, it's finally here. It's finally here. It's Carnival morning and I am heading to go to the makeup artist to get my makeup done.
Ooh, is it you saucy?
not the full look, of course. This is just a piece of it. I'm still putting the pieces together. I don't like the head. There's a head thing. I don't really like it because of the face gems already, but the face gems are already starting to slide because of the sweat. So I'm trying to decide whether I need to put on the headpiece or not, but I'm gonna show you the full look in a few. But it's coming together, guys. Today is Road March Day. It's time.
Why not the police, yeah? They can't rush you today, I tell you that. Yo, man, say they can't rush you today, I promise you. Say make up your book, look like they like sweetie. Oh, yeah, yeah. Bumpers over them dash. Look my dog, why you take my money? Let me go. Who is the baddest girl in your crew? Point at her right now. Baddest. Oh God. Make a bacchanal on the road. Resting the maid. You say, oh God, is your bumper that girl? Let's go. Anybody stamp the passport to be in Jamaica for Carnival? Anybody came here straight from the airport? Yeah. Straight off the jumbo jet. Oh Lord. Straight off the jumbo jet. Oh Lord. Straight off the jumbo jet. Hey. Straight off the jumbo jet. Straight from the airport. Straight. Touchdown. Straight off the jumbo. No touchdown. Straight off the jumbo jet. Somebody put your become the party straight off the plane. Harmonize goes going get straight. If you ever go in chocolate with your passport in your back pocket, you know what I'm talking about. Become the party straight off. But it's falling off, so we're going to take it off. It's lunchtime. I have food. I'm a belly full. Keisha's coming on. You understand? Yeah, it's that time. It's that time. May I enjoy myself? I'm not gonna lie. May I enjoy myself? I went on the truck. I was on the road. And I'm together. Right? Alright, so we're heading back on the road now. Keisha time. It is officially Keisha time. Perfect. Ladies, we're getting to the last part of the road march. Everybody come in the crew.
I'm all the way tired, I can't manage.